Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Options at the bottom, and the network preferences are divided into two categories, so network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So the operation looks the same in both. Simply tap on it, tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your pattern, and here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so be aware, and then tap on Reset Settings. And as you can see, we just did it successfully. And here Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, it is actually even easier because we've got all information right here that we cannot undo this action, so just tap on reset if you're ready. And as you can see, we just successfully reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.